Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Sneha, and in today's video, we will be looking at agriculture. So, two-thirds of India's population is engaged in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food raw material for various industries. And in today's video, we will be studying the various types of farming, cropping patterns, and major crops growth in India. By the end of this topic, we will know how much agriculture contributes to the national economy, employment, and its output. So, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the practice of cultivating plants and livestock. Agriculture was a key development in the rise of sedentary human cultivation, whereby farming of domesticated species created food supplies that enabled people to live in cities. So, now we will be looking at the types of farming. The cultivation methods depend upon the characteristics of the physical environment, technological know how, and socio-cultural practices. Farming varies from the subsistence to commercial type. In different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced that are primitive substances farming, intensive substances farming, and commercial agriculture. Primitive substances farming. This type of farming is practiced in few pockets of India on small patches of land using primitive tools and family community labor. So, farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their families. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural processes. Now, land productivity is very low as the farmer does not use fertilizers or any other modern inputs. Intensive substances farming. It is practical in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming. Yield per hectare is high because high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used. So the size of the land holdings is small and uneconomical. Farmers take maximum output from the limited land by raising 2 to 3 crops in a year from the same land. That is, multiple cropping is practiced. Finally, the third type of farming, that is the commercial farming. In this, crops are mainly grown for commercial purposes. It is practiced on large pieces of land on scientific and commercial lines using machines and modern technology. There is a higher use of modern agricultural inputs, that is, example, uh, HYV seeds, fertilizers, irrigations, and many more. So the degree of commercialization varies from region to another. Rice is a commercial crop in Punjab, while in Odisha it is a subsistence crop. Example, plantation agriculture. Cropping pattern. Cropping pattern refers to the proportion of land under cultivation of various crops at different points of your time. India follows three types of cropping seasons, that is Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. So the first cropping season that we will be looking at is Rabi. Rabi crops are also known as winter crops. They are sown in winter, that is from October to December, and are harvested in summer, that is from April to June. Some of the important crops are wheat, barley, mustard, peas, gram, and many more. So the second cropping season that we will be looking at is Kharif. Kharif is sown at the beginning of the rainy season, that is from April to May, and is harvested between September to October. The important crops in Kharif are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. Third and the last cropping season is Zaid. So it is sown and harvested in between the Kharif season. There is a short season during the summer months known as the Zaid season. That is from the months March to July. And the important crops of Zaid are watermelon, cucumber, vegetables, muskmelon, and fodder crops. So that's it for this video. We will be continuing our topic agriculture in part 2. Thank you.